How do I use a washing machine bag?
Hello everyone! Welcome to our new tutorial. Today, we're going to delve into a commonly asked question. How do I use a washing machine bag? The right use of washing machine bags can extend the life of your delicate clothing items by preventing them from tangling and snagging during wash cycles. Let's learn how to do it.
What is a washing machine bag?
Before we get started, let's understand what a washing machine bag is. A washing machine bag, or laundry bag, is a bag made of mesh-like material designed to protect delicate items of clothing during the wash cycle. You can use them for lingerie, hosiery, sweaters, or anything else you'd like to keep safe.
Preparing your clothes for the wash.
So, you have your washing machine bag and your clothes ready. What next? Here are the steps. 1. Sort your clothes. Separate items based on their color and material. Light, dark, and bright colors should be washed separately to prevent color bleeding. 2. Inspect each item. Check for stains, dirt, or loose threads and treat them appropriately before washing. 3. Place delicate items inside the washing machine bag. Don't overfill the bag, leave some space for the items to move around during the wash cycle.
Setting up your washing machine.
Now it's time to set up the washing machine. Follow these guidelines. 1. Load your washing machine. Place the laundry bag into the washing machine along with other clothes. 2. Choose the right washing cycle. Use a gentle or delicate cycle for clothes in the laundry bag. 3. Select the appropriate water temperature. Typically, cold water is better for delicate items. 4. Add your detergent. Use the right amount of detergent as per the manufacturer's instructions.
Post-washing steps.
Once the washing cycle is done, 1. Carefully remove the washing bag. Be gentle to avoid damaging the clothes inside. 2. Empty the washing bag. Take out the clothes from the bag and inspect them to ensure they are clean and undamaged. 3. Dry the clothes. Based on the care label, you can either air dry or machine dry the clothes. 4. Store the bag for future use. Make sure the bag is clean and dry before storing it away. There you have it. Now you know how to use a washing machine bag. Remember, it's all about ensuring your clothes get a safe and thorough clean. We hope this video was helpful, and you feel more confident about your next laundry day. Thanks for watching.